Hello, I'm Tom Williams from the Fort Huachuca Public Affairs Office, and this is your Fort Report.
Soldiers from the 304th Military Intelligence Battalion contributed to the education of Arizona students by serving as judges for the Buena High School Academic Decathlon team's multi-school tournament. The soldiers served as speech, essay, and interview judges in the 10-event competition that included students from the Phoenix and Tucson school districts, schools that host many of the competitions.
Canyon del Oro is the only other school that routinely hosts tournaments like this. They're up in Tucson. There are 1 million people in metropolitan Pima County. We have a little bit less than that here, and we are always able to host these tournaments because of things like the support at Fort Huachuca. So it's critical. Also, it lets the judges see the kind of caliber of students.
Just prior to the start of the contest, the judges received training.
But because we want that level playing field to stay the whole time is why we're asking you to just, thank them. We enjoyed talking to you. Anything like that. Whatever works best for you and feels comfortable. He'll leave. At that point, you have a minute or two to fill in your ballot.
These generations of African Americans from then to today have not been enslaved, but have been able to still connect to each other, not through pain, but by the humor that was born from segregation.
The soldiers' efforts assisted the students in acquiring job and study skills that will prepare them for college and their next step in life.
We all committed to serve our country, so this is just one small bit of what we do.
I have 2 kids, so I care a lot about the future generation coming along and doing good things. Hopefully, righting everything that we see that's wrong with some of the kids that people pass judgment on. It's nice to see the kids that are out eager trying to do good things.
Except for the math portion of the contest, the testable subjects followed a theme. This year, it's World War I.
That'll do it for this edition of the Fort Report. Have a great day.